as we present this Bible, this personal Bible, it is to be read and studied. And Audrey and Renz, both of you, as you make a commitment to each other, continue to commit yourselves to reading the Word on a daily and regular basis. You will find strength and power in God's Word more than you will ever find in each other.
Ang panalangin na ito ay 5 taon na ang nakalipas at ibinigay na ng Panginoon. Ikaw ang sagot sa aking panalangin.
Hindi ko pa nakikita yung tatay niya. Ayan, nakikita mo rin.
Yung preparation pala kasi talaga, itetest talaga kayo no? Akala mo magpapakasal lang kayo, akala mo mag-a-idol lang kayo, pero dun pala lahat lalabas kung paano nyo pagpapasensyahan yung isa't isa, kung paano nyo naiintindihan talaga yung isa't isa.
Ayun lang, hangad ko sana maging masaya kayo sa pagsasama nyo sa buong buhay nyo. Ayun lang na, basta mahal naman.
Maraming bagay, maraming pagkakataon sa buhay ko na minsan hindi ko alam yung gagawin ko. Tapos iniisip ko kung ano yung posible mong gagawin sa bagay na to. Kasi hindi nagawa ko. Sobrang maraming salamat po.
Sabi ko nga, kahit 60 ka na, 70, you'll always be my Audrey. I love you all.
I got so hard to
Hindi naman ako stress. Feeling ko mas stress yung stress.
Nakakakaba lang kasi yung thinking na yung haba ng preparation nyo, tapos sa isang araw lang lahat magaganap. So kung mangyayari ba lahat, yun yung nakakaba.
I would follow spirit soaring. I touch the sky when my knees hit the ground. I treasure what's within your skies.
Kaya nga, madalas binibiro ko siya nandyan ka lang pala. Ang tagal na nating magkaibigan, nandyan ka lang pala. So, yung part na yun. That's why, etong relationship na namamagitan sa amin, it's not just about romantic relationship na in love na lang kami sa isa't isa. It's really founded and may solid ground na magkaibigan kami. Masaya lang siya kapag pag lahat lumasa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I touch the sky when my knees hit the
I always make sure that she feels that she's my priority. Bilang pastor, maraming responsibilidad, no? And alam ko naiintindihan niya yun, na yung mga responsibilidad na yun. But at the same time, I don't let myself to make it a reason para hindi siya pa i-prioritize.
Inuuna niya ako, nararamdaman ko na ako yung priority niya. At syempre, bilang isang babae, na-appreciate ko yung bagay na yun.
reaching
Renz, do you take Audrey, whose hand you hold, to be your lawful wedded wife? If so, please answer, I do.
I do!
Audrey, do you take Renz, whose hand you are now holding, to become your lawful wedded husband? If so, please answer, I do.
I do!
on the wings of forever. My heart beating, my soul breathing. I found my life with a lady.
Ako ang iyong magiging kakampi habang buhay. Kapag ikaw ay napagod, ako ang iyong magiging pahinga. Mahal na mahal kita.
When we sit
I promise that our marriage will be a firm, healthy ground for us to grow more in love to Jesus. Babe, I love you most.